If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable thermostat that's perfect for heating-only systems, the Honeywell Home Non-Programmable Mechanical Thermostat is a top choice. With its classic design and easy-to-use manual controls, this thermostat offers no-fuss heating management for those who prefer simplicity and reliability. But does it live up to the Honeywell reputation? Let's dive into the features, benefits, and potential considerations for this time-tested thermostat. Key features. Ideal for homes with heating-only systems, this thermostat provides an uncomplicated method to control your home's temperature. Simply adjust the dial to set your desired temperature, and the thermostat will take care of the rest. The Snap Action switch provides a quick and precise response to temperature changes, ensuring your home is heated efficiently. With its non-digital mechanical interface, this thermostat offers a no-frills solution for those who prefer manual control over their heating system. Its design has remained a staple for over 50 years, proving the long-standing effectiveness of the mechanical thermostat. The dial control is easy to operate, and the bimetal temperature sensor ensures precise and reliable readings, making temperature adjustments simple and hassle-free. The thermostat comes with a decorative backplate to complement its clean, white appearance. The backplate provides a polished, finished look, covering any holes or marks from your old thermostat. While it doesn't have an off switch, the design is minimal and blends seamlessly with most home decor. The Honeywell Home Mechanical Thermostat comes with mounting hardware, including a wall plate, and doesn't require leveling, which simplifies the installation process. Its straightforward design means you don't have to worry about complicated settings or digital screens. Just set the temperature and enjoy reliable, consistent heating. Unlike older models, this thermostat is mercury-free, making it safer for the environment and for use in your home. Its environmentally conscious design helps you maintain a sustainable living space without sacrificing performance. With Honeywell's trusted reputation for durability, this thermostat is built to last. Designed with quality materials, it can withstand years of consistent use without losing its precision or effectiveness. Benefits of the Honeywell Home Non-Programmable Mechanical Thermostat. Simplicity. This thermostat is designed for users who prefer straightforward, no-frills control of their home's heating system. With easy manual adjustments, you don't have to worry about complicated digital interfaces. Reliability. With over 50 years of experience, Honeywell has perfected this thermostat's design, ensuring it provides accurate and consistent temperature control for years to come. Cost-effective. Compared to high-tech digital or smart thermostats, this mechanical model is an affordable option that still delivers dependable performance. Environmentally friendly. Its mercury-free construction makes it an eco-friendly alternative to older models, helping you reduce your home's environmental impact. Durability. This thermostat is built to last. It's engineered with high-quality materials and components, meaning you can expect years of worry-free operation. Easy installation. Installing the Honeywell Home Non-Programmable Mechanical Thermostat is a breeze, with mounting hardware and a decorative backplate included. You won't need to hire an installer or spend hours figuring out complicated setups. Pros and cons. Pros: simple, manual control for easy temperature adjustments. Mercury-free and environmentally safe. Durable and reliable with a long lifespan. Comes with a decorative backplate for a finished, polished look. Affordable compared to digital or smart thermostats. Easy to install with mounting hardware included. Cons: no off switch, which may be a drawback for some users. Designed for heat-only systems, won't work with cooling systems. Lacks the advanced features of modern digital or smart thermostats. Why choose the Honeywell Home Non-Programmable Mechanical Thermostat? This Honeywell Home Non-Programmable Mechanical Thermostat is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a simple, reliable way to control heating in their home. With its long-standing track record of quality, easy installation, and durable design, it's an ideal solution for those who don't need the complexity or cost of digital thermostats. If you have a heat-only system and want an affordable, straightforward thermostat that will last for years, this model is your go-to. It may not come with the bells and whistles of a smart thermostat, but it excels in providing precise temperature control and dependable performance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.